Before we start, hit that subscribe button so you never miss quick tech tips like this one. Today I'll show you how to use Autofill in Google Sheets. A quick trick to save time when entering repetitive data like dates, numbers, or days of the week. First, open Google Sheets at sheets.com and sign in to your Google account. Next, open the spreadsheet you want to work on. In the cell where you want your pattern to begin, type your starting value, let's say Monday. Now, look for the small blue square in the bottom right corner of that cell. This is called the fill handle. Click and hold that square, then drag it down or across, depending on how you want the series to continue. Release your mouse and Google Sheets will instantly autofill the rest of the cells with the correct sequence: Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. This works with numbers, dates, text patterns, and even custom sequences. And that's it. You've just learned how to autofill in Google Sheets in seconds. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.